How to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can change currency on Facebook Marketplace. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Facebook and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you are on your home page, if you navigate to your left hand side, there is a menu bar. So there you have to look for orders and payments. If you are not able to see that, click on see more, scroll down a bit and then click on orders and payments. Now once you get to this page, again navigate to your left hand side and click on settings. Now once you land in this interface, if you navigate to your right hand side, again there is a currency section. In order to change that, click on it. Now from this drop down box, again click on currency, and now you have to choose the currency according to your preferences. For example, I will go with Swiss franc and click on it. After that, once it's on, you have to click on save. But before you do that, you have to be careful of this thing that says you can only change the currency once every 72 hours. So with that on your mind, click on save, and that's how you can change currency in your Facebook Marketplace. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.